Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a 2007 Finn B70 Strawblower. This is a trailer mounted unit. 300-hour machine here, fellas. B70s are extremely hard to find. We haven't been coming up with them like we always have. We used to do 25 B70s a year. They're just kind of hard to find right now. I mean, a new one's $27,000, and there's a reason behind that. They're just a top-notch machine. Finn can't be beat. If you used a Rhinco and you went and used a Finn, you'd ask yourself, why in the heck did I ever use a Rhinco to start with? Just a big difference in machine. We're going to go ahead and start walking around this machine. Again, 07 Finn B70 trailer mounted unit. There's one ding here in a fender. We're not hiding anything. We're just going to tell you the truth. Machine's powered by the Kubota V1505 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's going to have your NACD clutch. Bearings are all in excellent condition. Everything on this machine, we have fully serviced it, went through it. 2 cracked tail lights. We went ahead and put factory new Finn tail lights right on it. You know, we try to go back to OEM spec for Finn. We really like their product. It's just Finn, Don Brown and them boys out there at Fairfield are just hard to beat. They build nice stuff. If you have problems or questions, you can always call them. They'll fix you right up. Just everyday normal people, nice to talk to. Tires are excellent. We went all through the trailer wiring. Everything there is good. Breakaway works just the way it's supposed to. Right here is your 360-degree discharge chute. I believe it will throw you 70 degrees this way. And a 360-degree chute. Nylon blocks here in the base. We've put brand new ones in, not because the other ones were wore. They were just getting a little dried. Blower housing's excellent. There's not a stitch aftermarket welding on this machine. Feed table on these are fully adjustable, in and out for different truck length of bodies, up and down for different bodies, a height if you're feeding off a pickup or a dump truck. Pulls off a 2 5/16 ball here, just a simple hitch. Just going to raise up like that and lock your ball. Adjustable front mount on the hitch, safety chains. Again, breakaway, everything there is working just the way it's supposed to. Has a 7-way camper style plug here, which is brand new we put on. Inside the blower fan, you can see the fan's in very nice shape. It doesn't have any abnormal wear or anything like that. Beater chains are in excellent shape. Catwalks on this machine are very nice and straight. There's one ding here on this side and one ding here in the front, but the catwalks are very nice and straight. Usually these machines are all bent up. Guys hog things up. They don't pay any attention or take care of their machine. 318 hours. We're going to go ahead and crank it up for you. What you'll do is you'll hold your safety bypass in. It's a little tricky here, being by myself. Glow plug your machine. Fires right up, no abnormal smoke noises, flow by on this machine at all. You have a horn. We're going to go ahead. I always recommend engaging these clutches at idle and disengaging them at idle. Okay? That brings your fan right up to speed. We're going to go ahead. We're going to fire the motor, rev the motor. Let that engine idle back down. Disengage your clutch. Shut your engine down. Now what you want to see on these Finn B70s, see how nice and easy that's just spooling down? That indicates you don't have any bad bearings. Your drive line's in line. Everything's in excellent shape. If you had one that you disengaged at and it stopped or it slowed down like right now, you know you'd have a problem. So if you have any questions on our B70 Strawblower, 318 hours, we priced this machine where we feel is where the market's at. We're not being ridiculous in our pricing, and I'm not going to take much less because you cannot find these machines anywhere in the market. You may find some 5 and 6 and 800 hour machines that are junk, and you can go buy one of those, but here is a nice machine. Here's the opportunity to buy a nice machine ready to go to work that you don't have to work on. And let's face something, if you're out on the power line today or out on the gas line seeding, and you have guys that $48 an hour, paying them rate, you can't afford to work with junk. One other thing I'll bring to your attention, we did pull all the wheels, and we did repack wheel bearings, so that we are 100% confident somebody can come in here and tow this machine right to their job site. Any questions, or if you need a freight quote, give me a call at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88, and happy eBaying.